Hey, good morning. I wanted just to spend a few minutes and show you how to download and install the Church Center app, which is the new app and the website that we're going to be using at the church starting in 2021. And so let me kind of walk you through the steps. So I'm going to be using my iPad here so you guys know exactly. You can kind of bigger screen, but it'll work a little bit differently on your phone. But go to the App Store, okay? And I'm going to click out of that, but you're going to type in Church Center. You're going to see Church Center app right here. You're going to click on that. Okay. And then it's going to be right here. Now, I've downloaded all this before, but I'm showing you how to go through it before. So, but anyways, you're going to probably push install or download. So I'm pushing download, and I'm on really fast internet. And so it's open. We're going to open it here. Now, when you get here, it says get started. Okay, now this is what this is going to do is it's going to ask you to find churches in your area. So we're going to click get started, all right? And you're going to say use my location, all right? And you can say allow by using the app because it's going to help you with certain things. And it's going to give you this whole list of churches that you can find, churches in your area, churches and that kind of stuff. And so since we are the Village Chapel, this is the first one. And since I'm actually sitting on the property right now, it finds the closest here. All right, and say, so you're going to click on Village Chapel, and then down here it's going to say, this is my church. All right, click on that button. Okay, and then you're going to ask you to push next. Okay, and if you are in our system and you have a cell phone number, they're going to ask you to put in the cell phone number. So you can see my cell phone number, 79165. Then you're going to push next. All right. And it's going to give you a code on your phone, and you're going to type in that code. If you're doing this on your phone, especially on an iPhone, it'll automatically let you input that. But since I'm doing it on my iPad, we'll do it here. Okay. And now, because I'm already in the system, it has me and it has my son under my thing too. But we're going to go over here. We'll click Chuck Musselwhite. And we'll click Enable Face ID. And I'll smile on it. And I'll put allow notifications. Okay, and then here's our church app. And we have a little welcome video, and you see our service times. And if you're new here, if you want to put a prayer request in, or this is really cool. These are the worship songs for our Sunday morning services. And so if you want to know what those songs are, and if you're especially if you're at home, you can click on that. Oops. All right. Then we have the bulletin, so if you want to know what's going on, and then sermons. So Sunday morning, say you're at home, you're watching on TV or on your app, and you're not going to come in. Just click on sermons; it'll take you right to our YouTube channel, and you'll see it there. So, all right. Oops. Click home. All right, and then obviously if you want to contact us as well. But anyways, really simple, really easy way to download our church app, and especially if you're in our database. And this is how it'll go. I mean, this is you can give up here. You can check in your kids for kids ministry. If you're part of a small group, it's right here. Our calendar's right there. So anyways, lots of stuff going on our new church app and website, and we want you to download it and install it so you can be part of our community. Have a great day. Bye-bye.